Okay, today we are on page 72 and we're starting a new section, section 2-3 on subtracting integers. So we're going to look at some examples from the book. It's the bottom half of page 72. And I'm going to start with number 3. Find each difference. So remember our rules for integers. If the signs are the same, you
add.
Yes, and the answer
Fix the 9 of the bigger number. It's the same.
The answer keeps the sign. If the signs are different, you subtract. And then the answer,
Fix the sign of the bigger number.
there you go. Okay, so if it's the same, you add. The answer keeps the sign. If it's different, you subtract, and it takes the sign of the bigger number. You with me, Owen?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 3 says 8 minus 11. Are these signs the same or different?
Different.
Different. So I'm going to subtract. What's 11 minus 8? I think I heard it. What? 3. Yes, it's 3. And the answer takes the sign of the bigger number. Good job, Owens. It's negative 3. The big number's negative, so my answer's negative. Remember, whatever I write, you write. Even if you're watching this on video. I'm doing all of this. So, how about number 4? Are the signs the same or different? Same. So, I do what?
Subtract.
You want me Starbucks? I'm going to add. So, 9 plus 3 is? 12. And the answer keeps?
Negative.
Yes. If both of these are negative, my answer is negative. Keep writing. So on number 5, we have a special situation. What is the special situation?
If there's two negatives next to each other, it becomes positive.
That's right. 2 negatives that are right next to each other cancel each other out and they both turn positive. So now what is my problem?
5 plus 4.
5 plus 4. What's 5 plus 4?
9.
9. Am I going too fast? Okay. So again, what's happening here in number 6?
So the negative next to the other negative.
So I have to do what?
You have to add it.
They both turn positive. And 7 plus 10?
17.
Yes, nice. Good job, boys. I'm going to pause this for a second. For number 7 and 8, we sort of have some same stuff happening and sort of have some different stuff happening. So what do I have to do first?
Subtract 6 negative minus 4 negative.
You have to turn the minus into a positive, but
Yes.
since 6 is negative 6, it will be negative 2.
Yes, good. Very good, Jeremiah. Okay, so first we have to take these 2 negatives that are right next door and turn them positive. Now, are my signs the same or different? Different, so I subtract. 6 minus 4,
2.
2. The answer takes the sign of the bigger number, which is 6, which is negative. Okay? Okay, brain break. So somebody else has to tell me what to do with number 8. Holden?
Make a negative positive.
Okay, first, those guys become positive, and then what?
And add 2. And subtract 2 minus 8. And get 2.
Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6.
and you get -6.
And the answer takes the sign of the bigger number. What number is bigger, Owens?
8.
So is 8 positive or negative?
Oh, wait.
Positive. So my answer for this one is going to be positive because the bigger number was positive. Okay, so on this last section, the directions told me what each variable equals. The directions said x equals 10, y equals -4, and z equals -15. Then they gave me some problems with variables, and they want me to plug in and solve. So what am I plugging in here for 9?
10.
10. So I'm going to rewrite the problem with the 10 for x. Yes.
Yeah, the negative to positive.
Yep. So these guys change to positive, and now what?
That's 10 plus 10.
10 plus 10. And the answer keeps the sign. They were positive, so my answer is positive. So on number 10, what am I plugging in?
You plug in -4 as y and 10 as x as 10, and it's gonna be
It's gonna be like
-6.
no -14.
Starbucks. Okay. Well, let's talk about why it's -14. The signs, are they the same or different?
They're different. The same.
The same. If the signs are the same, I
Subtract. Oh, add.
add. You're the one that got the right answer. Okay, so we add. So 4 plus 10 is what?
14.
14, and the answer keeps the sign.
Oh, I feel like that. I like when it has the parentheses.
Does it?
It makes it harder. But I remember that.
Yep. All right, last one. What am I plugging in on this one? Brain break, Jeremiah.
You're gonna plug in 10 plus -4 plus
-15. -15.
Minus
Oh, minus.
-15. Be careful on that one. That's tricky. Because they already have a minus, and then the z is also minus. So this is where I have my minus. What do I do first? Holden?
You make a negative positive.
Yep. So these two that are right next to each other are turning positive. Now I have 3 digits. So how do I solve a 3-digit problem?
you put in 10 plus -4.
Okay. So first I'm going to do this part. 10 plus -4.
Equals 6.
6. Then I'm going to bring down this part that I haven't used yet. And I could just write 1 plus sign. I don't need 2 anymore. Okay?
And you got 6 plus 15, which is 21.
Wow. That was good, Owens.
Okay, I could have done it better because I was on the brain bait.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Let me know if you have any questions.